Session 4, question number 1. This question is very easy. From this equation, we can have 3s equal 3 times s, hence s equal to 3 seconds. Option D. Question number 2. In the figure below, the line L is parallel to the line M. It means the angle S equal to the angle Y. And the question is 2 times S subtract Y could not equal which of the following? S equal to Y, hence we have 2 times S subtract Y equal to 2 times S subtract S equal S. And the final result is not this one, no. This one is not either, because equal to S at S over 2, it is also S, with the reason that S equal to Y. And option D, no. And the final result, it must be option E. Now we can choose some a number to check. For example, if we take S equal to Y equal 60, and so we will have 2 times S subtract Y equal to 120 subtract 60, it is 60, and here we have 60 subtract 60 divided by 2, it is 30. They are different. Question number 3. The table below displays the results of a survey given to an equal number of males and females. It means the number of females of males and equal to the number of females. How many of the females surveyed graduated from college? Here we need to notice that the number of males and the number of females, they are equal. We just need to complete the following table. We look at the total column and the total line. In this column, the number of males and the number of females are equal. Here we just take this number divided by number 2. That is, we get 23,000. We will use the comma, 23,000. And look at the row this row. Now we want to find this. We take 46,000 subtract 17,000. We have 29,000. Check again. 2, 1, and the number 3, 16, 30, 46,000 is correct. And we look at this column. We must have here 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, and we take 22,000 subject 10,000. We have 13,000 here, and this one we have 22,000 subject 7,000. We have 16,000. We finished. The question is how many of the females graduated from the college? We will not look here. The final result in this column. Graduated females must be here. It is option D. Question number 4. The weekly profit for a magazine company is given by the function P of S equal to 3 seconds times X subtract 300. And here S is the number of magazines sold. What is the weekly profit of if 400 magazines? Where we just take S equal to 400, and we have 3 seconds times 400 subtract 300. We have 600 subtract 300. What is 300? Option E. Question number 5. What is the intersection point for the graphs of the lines? This line and this line. We just need to solve the system of equation y equal to times at 7, y equal 3 times at 2. We check the second equation, subtract the first equation. We have s equal to 5, and hence y equal to 17. It is option B. Question number 6. The ratio of marriage employees to the total number of the employees at a company is 3 to 5. We put the number of married employees as here. We no, I think we should continue reading. If there are a total of 1,000 employees at the company, the ratio of x to the total number 1000 here, and so we have s over 1000 equal to 3/5. How many are not married? We just to solve to find s, and then we take 1000 subtract s, cross multiply. We have s equal to 1000 divided by 5. It is 200 times 3. It is 600. And the final result is we take 1000 subtract 600. We have 400. Which is option B. Question number 7. Oh, this is an inequality where a and b are integrals. What is the sum of all the unique values of b raised to the power of a? We need to focus a less than b. Hence, we have number 2 raised to the power 1 equal to, and here we have number 2 is b, and number 1 is a. Next, we check with the number 3 for b. 3 raised to the power of 1, which is number 3, to the power of 2, this is number 9. No more. And the final is b equal to 4. 4 raised to the power 1. That is 4 raised to the power 2, that is 16. And 4 raised to the power of 3, that is 64. We just need to just sum all of them. Number 2, number 3, number 9, 4, 16, and 64. 80, 84, 90, 93, and 5 is in 98. Option D. Question number 8. In the figure below, what is the value of z in terms of x and y? We need to calculate z in terms of s and y. To be easy to follow, I think we need to use some notations more. This one is angle C, angle A, angle B, and yeah. This one, this line and this line, they are parallel. So this angle is a y. First, we have the angle z equal 360 subtract angle y, angle s, angle y, and angle c. and the angle C equal to 180. Subtract the angle A, subtract the angle B. The angle B equal to Y, and the angle A, anyway, here. Maybe I should use a different color. This angle is a sum of the angle S and the angle A. That means S at Y equal S at A. We cancel S and we have the angle A equal to angle Y. This means angle A and angle B, they are equal. Angle A equal to angle B. A equal P. Equal to 180, subtract angle S and angle Y. And we just substitute this to this expression, and the final step we put it into this expression, to this equation. Hence we have C equal to 180, subtract angle A, angle B, this is 180, subtract S, subtract Y. Subtract 180, subtract S, subtract Y. It is minus 180 add 2 times S, add 2 times Y. And the final result is, well, we can easily see that this number and this number, 360 subtract minus 180, it must be option E, 540. Question number 9. Oh, and the final result is 45 divided by 3 is 15. This question is easy ridiculously. Question number 10. In the figure below, B is the midpoint of the segment AC. What is the sum of the S coordinate and the Y coordinate for point A? Here we have the point B is the segment of the segment AC. Hence we have 2 times B, subtract C equal A. 2 times we write the coordinate of the point B, minus 2 minus 1, subtract the coordinate of the point C, 1 minus 11, and now we have 2 times minus 2, this is minus 4, subtract 1, this is minus 5, 2 times minus 1, this is minus 2, subtract minus 11, that is a number 9, and the sum of minus 5 and number 9, that is a number 4. The final result is number 4. Question 11. In a certain rectangle, the length is 3 times the width. If one side of the rectangle is number 9, this means the length is S and the width is Y. And now we have S equal to 3 times Y. If one side of the rectangle is 9, we don't know it is S or Y. But here we have the smallest possible value of the area. So we will choose the number 9 for S. For smallest possible value for the area of the rectangle, we choose S equal 9, hence we have Y equal 3, and the smallest possible value for the area of the rectangle, it is 9 times 3, it is 27. Question number 12. We have this one can factor. We factor this S subject Y times S at Y equal 44. Hence we have S subject Y equal to 44 divided by 4. It is 11. The final result is 11. Question number 13. A circle is partitioned into 8 unequal wedges, like this. This one. 8 partition, 8 wedges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Having a ratio of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. What is the median? The median of the central angles of the wedges. Oh, this question is rather difficult. Maybe we need to write an equation to express the ratio. Here we will have 1 S at 2 times S, and continue. We have at time 8 times S equal 1 at 8 is 9, and 4 couples, it is 36 S. It must be equal to 360. Hence we have S equal to 10. And from this we have the measures of the angles are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. And hence the median, because the number of angles here are even, hence the median it must be the average of these two angles. It is 40 at 50 over 2. It is 45. Question number 14. A 120-foot long rod is cut in half. This means 120 divided by 2, it is sitting. One of those two pieces is cut in half, divided by 2 again. We have 30, and process continues. Divided by 2, it is 15. What is the maximum number of cuts so the length of the remaining piece of rod is a whole number? In the integral. Here we have 15 divided by 2, it is 7.5. Due to this reason, we cannot not accept it. Hence, the maximum number is just 1, 2, 3. The maximum number is number 3. The length of the remaining piece of rod is a whole number after 3 cuts. Number 3. After 3 cuts. Question number 15. Point F is the midpoint of segment AC, and E is the midpoint of the segment AD. What is the value of this fraction? Area of triangle AFE. Over the area of the rectangle ABCD. We can split the rectangle like this. We can see that the rectangle ABCD is split into 4 smaller rectangles. Hence, and each smaller rectangle, the area of the smaller rectangle, equal to 1/4 the rectangle, the area of rectangle ABCD, and the area of triangle AFE is 1/2 the area of this smaller rectangle. Hence, the final result is 1/8. The question number 16. Delta of S equal to 2 times S squared at 10 times S, subject 42. First, from this we have delta of A equal to 30. And from the definition here, we have two noisy. We have 2 times A square at 10 times A subtract 42 equal 30. Simplify, we have A square at 5 times A. It is 52 divided by 2. It is 26. Oh, no. That's wrong. 72 divided minus 36 equals 0. We need to factor. If we don't want to use a calculator, here we have the product is minus 36 and the sum is number 5. It must be the number 4 and minus 9. A equal number 4 and A equal to minus 9. Now question number 17. The table below gives the speed and time spent running for 3 different people. If they are all running about a quarter mile track, how many laps did all 3 people run? I think that we need to complete the table to find the total number of miles. Here we have this one equal to 1.5 hours equal 1 hours and 1 hour singular, no, not plural, equal 3/4 hours. Hence, the total number of miles it is 6 times 1.5 at 7.5 times 1 at 10 times the fraction 3/4. It is 9 at 7.5 add this one is 5/2 7.5. It is 20, 24, 20, 15, and 24. And to find the laps, the number of laps, we just take the total number of miles multiplied by number 4. 24 times 4. It is let's say remember 1, 8, 8 1 is 9. The final result is 96 laps. Question number 18. A 6-digit security code is made of 4 zeros and 2 1. How many security codes of this time can be formed? To form a security code, we imagine it is a sequence of a binary sequence. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. We first select 4 of 6 spaces. Select 4 of 6 spaces for a 0, and leave the remaining spaces for number 1. There are 7 to no, not 7, which is 6. It is 6 to 4 ways for the first step, and 4 to 4. Just the 2 ones. Number 2 choose 2 equal 1. This one is equal 15, and the number of such binary sequence is given by this one, and the final result is 15.